So guys, before I proceed with this video, quickly let me show you something. If I scroll down here, you see that I joined this project about on the 8th, and today that I'm making this video, today is actually on the 18th or 19th. Yeah, so I've been in this project for like over 10 days, right? And this project has been paying me consistently. Now let me quickly go to my withdrawal. Let me come up here. If I come up here and I click on this withdrawal here, and I come up here, let me click here. Okay, you're going to see the evidence of my withdrawal. You can see I've been withdrawing since over 10 days now. Okay, also let me go down here and also show you guys something here. If I go to my details here, if I go to details here, you're going to be seeing my different quantitative benefit every single day. You can see I keep scrolling it down. You can see it keeps going. Okay, so in this project I'm going to be showing you how you can actually make money from this particular website. Okay, I have guys that have been in it for like a month, okay, before I joined. Like I rightly said, I just joined about 10 days ago, right? And if you can check up here, you can see that I actually have just $10 that I used to join. Okay, let me quickly show you that. If you see contract locked here, you see $10, $10 here. You can see contract locked amount $10. But if you check up here, you can see I have $14.60 here. Okay, meaning today I have about $4.60 that I'm going to be withdrawing from my account here. Okay, and if you come down here, you check total revenue here, you can see that I've made over the $10 that I actually invested into this project. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how you also can invest into this project and you can make money. Even if you don't want to invest, they can actually give you 20 USDT that you can test the project to see how it goes. Let me quickly go to this here. If I come down here, you can see up here. If I come down here, if you check up here, you can see there's this contract wallet here. This one is $20. Now this is a different account that I just opened to show you. If you're a fresher, if you come in, this is it. This one they are going to be giving you here. Okay, so I made a video earlier about this project. Okay, if you want to see the video to see the step by step on how you can actually join this project, this is the video up here, and also check the description of the video, description of this very video. I'm going to drop the link to that particular video here. And also if you check up here, you can see the link there also. Okay, if you watch that video, it's going to show you step by step on how this project actually works. Okay, but every single day, okay, for a start, you can see here this one is actually free. If you just sign up, they're going to be giving you this for a start to try it. But if you scroll, if I go up here now, if I go, there are different levels of how you can actually make money from this website. Okay, but quickly let me show you exactly how they all works. Okay, so if I come down to the home here, right, and I come up here where it talks about recharge here. Okay, if I click on this recharge, you can see different levels that they have. You can start with $10, $100, $500, 2,000, 5,000, and $10,000. But let me come down here to my home here and show you something. If I come to this quantitative here, you can see, if you check up here, you can see my current level. You can see my current level, and I'm on the V1. Okay, and this V1 will cost you just $10 to actually start. And if you come down here, you can see my $10 here. Okay, you can see my 10 USDT that I put into here. But if you want to go further, you can just go like this. You click on this next here, then it takes you to the second one, the V2. This one is $100. You can start this one with $100. And on this particular one, you can earn 1.7% every single day if you're on the V2, which is the $100. If you go ahead now, on the V3, you can earn 1.80 USDT percent every single day. Okay, it keeps going. If you check the V4, you can earn 2% every single day here. But on this particular one that I just started with $10, and if you check the $10 here, you can see I'm on V1. I'm earning $1.50 every single day. Okay, and the beauty of it is that you can make your withdrawal every single day. Okay, you can make your withdrawal provided you earn money that particular day, and you have up to $1. Provided you have $1, you can make withdrawal every single day. So how are you going to start this project? Okay, after you sign up, okay, the first thing you're going to be doing after you sign up is to make sure that you put in funds. That is if you want to earn better. Okay, but if you don't want to put in funds, like I rightly said in the description of the video, this is a project that you can mine USDT for absolutely free. Okay, if you click here, if you sign up, they're going to be giving you 20 USDT that you're going to use to start. Okay, but that 20 USDT is just going to last for only 1 day. That is just for you to start. Okay, but if you want to start earning consistently, and this earning, bro, let me quickly show you something. If all things goes well, as I rightly said here, if all things goes well, as I rightly said here, this earning is going to last for about 1 year. You can see this one is going to expire 2024. Okay, if all things being equal and it goes well, as I rightly said. Okay, remember, I'm just showing you exactly what I did here and how you can also replicate it if you feel you want to do that. Okay, so to get started, all you just need to do is just to come up here. You're going to come up here, click on this recharge here. When you click on this recharge here, then you're going to decide if it is $10 you want to deposit. You want to start with $10. If you want to start with $100, $500, you're going to click. Let's say you want to start with $100. You're going to click $100 here. Then you're going to click on this recharge here. Okay, when you click on this recharge here, then it's going to give you a USDT wallet address. Okay, now this USDT wallet address, you're going to copy it, and then you're going to go to your exchange and you're going to send the funds to this wallet address. Then after you send this fund to this wallet address, automatically the fund will be credited to your account. Okay, will be credited to your accounts that you open here, and you're going to see the fund here. The fund is going to appear here. Okay, now mind you, this fund that you're going to send in here, like this, my $10 now, I can decide to take it out, but as soon as I take it out, then I'll stop earning. But because I want to keep earning every single day, you can see the fund is locked. That is why you see I have $4.60 I can withdraw plus my $10 plus this $10. That is why you can see is $14.60 here. Okay, but what do you do every day for you to earn from this website? You just come down here where it says this quantitative here, right? Then you click on this quantity here. Then every single day you just come, you click on this thing 5 times. You can see I've done 5/5. If I click on it, you can see it says exceeded the maximum number of tasks for today. That's the only task you need to do on this website. Every single day, just come here, you tap this thing for good 5 times. It's going to spin for good 5 times. Then you're going to get your earning for the day, right? So that is what you're going to be doing here. Like I rightly said, you can start for absolutely free, but if you want to make money from this thing consistently, like I've been doing, then you need to put in some funds. Okay, now you can see they have 2 different kind of accounts here also. Okay, so you can see they have this coin purse. If you check this coin purse here, okay, then they also have this contracts wallet balance. Okay, now for you to make withdrawal to your accounts, your money has to be in this coin purse here. That is from this coin purse that you'll be able to click on this withdrawal and you can send money to your USDT wallet address. Okay, but because this funds here is on my total asset accounts here, okay, which is this 14.60 USDT, I need to transfer my 4.6 USDT to this coin purse here. So I'm going to click on this 2 arrow here. Okay, so when I click on this 2 arrow here, I want to transfer this 4.59 USDT to this account here, this coin purse here. So I'm going to type in 4.5 here. Let me just take out 4.5. Okay, when I click on that 4.5, then I'm going to click on confirm transfer here. Okay, so you can see the funds, the $4 has moved from this account here, this contract account, to this coin purse here. Okay, so this $10, this is what I'll be using to be earning every day, because as soon as I take out my capital from here, then I'll stop earning. But because I want to keep earning, I'm going to leave the capital here. Okay, so let me quickly make a withdrawal to show you that this project is paying. Okay, as at the time of making this video. So I'm going to click on this withdrawal here. So I'm going to put in the amount that I want to withdraw here, this 4.5. So I'm going to put it here. I'm going to say 4.5. Okay, then I'm going to choose up here. I have my USDT binded already. In your own case, if you watch the video that I told you about earlier, you're going to watch how you're going to bind your USDT wallet address. Okay, so I'm just going to click on this button up here, and I'm going to put in my USDT wallet address. Then I'm just going to come down here and click on submit. Then I'm going to put in my withdrawal password. Okay, let me quickly do that. Okay, so you can see it's going through now, right? So you can see I've withdrawn my 4 USDT into my Binance account. Okay, so that's how you can make money from this website. Okay, if you check up here, you can see that 4 USDT is no longer here. Okay, then let me go up here and click here. Okay, let me click here to show you. Okay, you can see under review, so they are going to review it and they are going to release my withdrawal. You can see all the other ones that have been withdrawing consistently over the time. Okay, you can see all those ones have been making withdrawal. You can see complete all through. Okay, so I just should show you how you can make money from this website. Okay, you go on YouTube, go everywhere, you can see guys are making money from it. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be showing you from now. If you've not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and also please like this video. Okay, and also if you want to join my Telegram group, the link is in the description of the video. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. To take care of yourself, and bye bye for now.